Hey, I want to share with you my top 2 recommendations if you're looking for a new mattress to keep your back healthy. Now, if you end up disagreeing with what I say or you love your mattress, put it in the comments. We want to learn what's working for you. So the first recommendation I learned about the first year that I had opened Krohse Chiropractic. See, I thought I was going to be super busy right away, even though I only knew 2 people in Des Moines when I first started Krohse Chiropractic. It did not work out that way. And so as I was trying to grow Krohse Chiropractic, I learned that the Sleep Number store will allow chiropractors to stand outside of their store and introduce their practice to people. And so I went over there for 2 Saturday mornings over in Valley West Mall. And I got to tell you, this was not my proudest moment. I mean, I felt a little bit like that person dressed up like the Statue of Liberty standing outside of the Liberty tax place during tax season. But the biggest thing, I would stand there and I would ask people, hey, would you like a quick back and neck check? And everybody that walked by thought I worked for the Sleep Number store. And so what they ended up saying was they'd say things like, already bought one, love it. And they'd say, we love it, we're here to buy one for the cabin. I stood there 2 Saturday mornings and I didn't hear a single negative feedback about the mattress. Nobody came in and said, I already bought one and you guys screwed me over. They loved the mattress. And so nobody needed chiropractic care in those 2 weekends. The only thing I got out of it was an actual recommendation for what mattress people should consider going and looking at. And so ultimately I went into the Sleep Number store and did their demonstration. And essentially, if you're out there and especially if you share a bed with somebody, I'm going to recommend that you start with the Sleep Number store. So you go in, the demonstration, you lie on the mattress, they make the mattress super firm, and then they gradually make it softer. And when it feels perfect, you tell them, stop there. And they write down that number. So let's say that first number was 52. They're going to make a note. Well, then they're going to make it super soft, and they're going to gradually bring it up. And you're going to tell them when it feels perfect. Let's say that second number was 48. If it was 48 and 52, they're going to say, we would have you start at 50. And so if you and your significant other walk in there, you do that demonstration, and you have different needs, then I'm going to tell you it's probably worth it to invest in the Sleep Number store. It's a long-term investment. Consumer Reports highly recommends Sleep Number, so you can feel confident there. And then they do have a satisfaction guarantee. Now, if your sleep numbers are virtually the same and you really want to shop budget-wise, then you could go out to Costco or the Mattress firm and try to get a better deal on a mattress because you know you have roughly the same needs. Now, the second recommendation for a mattress, I know because I have a Corey in my life. Maybe you have a Corey in your life too. Corey, he's one of my cycling buddies, but he's the guy that he researches everything so completely. And so if you're going to buy something and you know that Corey's already bought something in that category, you don't even have to go to Google. All you do is reach out to him and say, hey Corey, what do you recommend for a bike tire? And I buy the tire that Corey recommends. And so there's a picture of Corey right there. If there's one thing Corey knows better than mattresses and bike tires, it's tacos. Corey loves tacos, so that's him pretending to take a bite out of my dog Sage. But I have seen multiple of our cycling friends reach out on Facebook and say, hey, what mattress do people love? And Corey says, if you're going to go with one of these mattresses in a box, the brands like Purple, he says the one that he researched and recommends is called Zinus. That's Z-I-N-U-S. And so, again, it meets his standards of quality. The huge thing, though, is that the Zinus mattress is only $300 for a king-size mattress. It shows up on your door, and it has just thousands of reviews. You can actually buy it through the Zinus website or through Amazon.com, but where Purple mattresses are up around $1,000, with this you get one that meets all the quality and value and price standards of Corey for only $300, shows up on your door, you've got a 100% satisfaction guarantee. It's a no-brainer if you're considering trying the memory foam mattress in a box. And so those are my 2 recommendations. The Sleep Number store, if you're sharing a bed and you think you might have different needs, or if you want to try one of these new mattresses in a box, go with Zinus. Now you might be asking the question, like, why is a chiropractor recommending a mattress that's going to help people's backs and keep him from seeing as many patients? And I want to let you know that we do things differently here at Krohse Chiropractic. So when somebody comes in, we start with this really thorough exam. We do something called a motion x-ray study, where I can see exactly which bones in the neck or back are moving and which are stuck. And then I recommend the plan to get your problem fixed as quickly and completely as possible. So one of the things that we always are going to get you up to speed on is a specific plan of stretching and exercises that you do on your own. They're like the brushing and flossing the teeth of the spine. So we don't want to just do an adjustment and then you have to keep coming back in all the time. We want to teach you what you can do to keep your body stable. And that's where the mattresses fall too. If a mattress helps your body stay stable, keeps your problems from coming back, we're all about that. And so if you're interested in coming in and having us evaluate one of your problems, just click the link below, get a time reserved, or pick up the phone and give us a call. I'm Dr. David Krohse, and I hope you got a lot of value out of this. And again, if you disagree, just write it in the comments. Tell me what you love. I'll look into it and consider sharing it in the future.